Hey, what's up guys, it's Vineet and you're watching My Next Best. In the dissection lab today we've got the A87 action camera. This is something like a GoPro, obviously not a GoPro, but there are many such brands, many such products that are being created that are looking to achieve something that GoPro has achieved over the years. So it's the A87 action camera that's being sold on Amazon, and I thought this looks really good in terms of the specs. 4K Ultra HD 60 frames per second, Wi-Fi control, touch control, 40 meters underwater, time-lapse, slow-mo. All of these features are available on this particular product. As you can see, there's a lot of information at the back of it. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we get inside. So I've removed the outer seal and we're left with the box itself. So as you can see, what you get inside is it's called the Apeman. That's the brand name. Hello, and the name and all some of the information you've got. Okay, that's the note from the team. So okay, let's keep all this information to the side. Lots and lots of information on all of the products that we unbox. So let me get rid of the box. So there's the box that we get. Really nice portable box that you get on the A87. So let's open it up and see what we get inside. So and oh, okay, so it was supposed to be open on this side. Okay, so this should have been here, right? There's a lot of stuff inside, you know. As you can see, here's the camera, 4K Ultra HD. Yeah. So how does this open up? Should be simple. Where's that? Okay, the latch is here. Let's get this one out of the way. Sorry, this way. Yeah. And wow, okay. Yeah. So that goes there. And we have access to the camera. Ooh. That's a nice looking camera. That's a baby, isn't it? Beautiful. Beautiful. And in fact quite light actually. Really light. There's the power button. I doubt it has the battery inside. Where's the battery? Okay. Right, okay, so here's the battery, and what you do is just pull this one back and this should pop open. Okay, it doesn't come out. Anyway, I'm gonna just have a look at the rest of the stuff. Here's the camera there. That's the flap. You get the battery here. What's the size of the battery? 1050 mAh. Then there are two of them, as you can see. There's the other one as well. There's the other battery. Two batteries included, which is good. You get, what is this? I think this is to mount somewhere, probably on the headgear. And a lot of mounting kits on board. This I know. This is for the bike, isn't it? This one's for the bike. Yeah, this one I know. And then there are some replacements, replacement glass. It isn't glass, it's obviously plastic, but yeah, that's what we get. So here you've got a strap, cable ties. What's this? I don't know. There's so many things that you sometimes don't even know. And there's another strap. How many straps do we have? Okay, so oh, that's a remote. That's the remote to use it remotely. Remote to remotely. That's okay. Nice. So there's the USB to micro USB cable, and what else? Okay, so that's for the battery, I think. A replacement for the battery latch at the back of it. Okay, that's it. That's that. And then there's Kensington lock or something. What do they call it? I don't know. So that's all that we get. There's a documentation. There's a lot of documentation in so many products we've been unboxing recently. They send huge such documents, and then eventually the user, what the user does is just opens YouTube, finds this product and searches for the video. So all the user manual goes waste most of the time. It's probably going to be most important for companies to make it more interactive rather than such big books. People sometimes don't read those. I don't know what happens to that. This is the quick start guide. You've got the user manual, a lot of pieces and parts of these. That's it. If you have any questions or queries, do let me know. Do post in the comment section below. I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to Mine Best. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and you have a great rest of your evening. Take care. Bye-bye.
You're gone.